Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm really excited to share these items with you because it's the final items that I used for the baby's Taco Tuesday, because you know, get it, there's twins and they're two and they turn two and it's Tuesday kind of thing. So Taco Tuesday banners, finally the final items. I've already released the cactus fold it, and then we released the piñata fold it. Well, now it's time for two more, and they're in a bundle, so it's gonna save you even more. Also, a fun die set word, and two awesome dies that are slim lines, but they will fit in a 6-inch machine. That's exciting, right? Because some of us don't have big machines yet. That's okay. These will fit in a regular 6-inch machine. Let's get started. Boom. I know this looks like nothing, so I'm going to show you this right away. Thinking of You die set, all separate. Thinking of You, 3 different dies. You're getting 6 dies total. And look at that. You can add that shadow if you want to. You can put it Thinking of You straight. You can do it just thinking and then do of you on the inside. Lots and lots of options because I want you to use it over and over and over again. I try to make everything as versatile as possible. And I have more samples. Don't worry of that one. Next is we had the cactus. We had the piñata. Whoa. Now it is time for the sombrero and the taco. Now, of course, Michelle made me stuffies because, you know, Michelle and I have this thing about stuffies. So here is my sombrero stuffy, and here is my taco stuffy. Aren't they adorable? I'm telling you, little kids love these. I also use them for decorations. Look how cute those are. You put the little sticks in the bottom and boom, or if you don't even have the sticks, you could just lay it like that. Look how cute that is. I know, right? Well, now you can do Taco Tuesday Fiesta for the rest of your life because you got enough fold-its for it. And they're so much fun. Imagine sending, look at this. Imagine sending a card for a taco or a fiesta party that looks like this. Imagine that. Isn't that awesome? Hope your day is full of treats. It could be an invitation if you wanted it to. So exciting. But wait, my friends, there's more. Because how many times, and I know this is 1,000, right, unfortunately, do you need to send a get well card? And sometimes, you know, people are like, it's taking them a while to recover, and so you need to like send them more than one, and you're starting to run out of get well soon cards. Look at this one. Are you ready? This one is adorable. It is a slimline sized Band-Aid. Isn't that great? Now, the face is optional. You don't have to do the face, don't worry, because, you know, some people that might be a little too cute. But it is a slimline sized Band-Aid. And let me just tell you, let me find a really good sample of this one. Look at how cute that Band-Aid fold-it is. Again, the face is optional if you want, but look how cute that is. Now, to go with it though, I wanted also some words, and here is an example. This is on top of a Band-Aid because the Band-Aid could go either way. Get well soon. Look at how large this get well soon is. Perfect for, look at that, slimline cards. Get well soon. That is the actual size. Look how large they are. I love it. You could say get well, and then on the inside you could say soon. You don't even have to use soon if you don't want to. You could just have it say get well. I absolutely love this. It's perfect for your slim line cards. It takes up all of it. Now, why do I love slim line cards so much? Because let me just tell you, my friends, I have billions, if not trillions, not really, business-sized envelopes that these obviously fit into perfectly. So why not use those for something good? Imagine sending this get well soon card to someone that it needs to get well soon. Now, we've also used the bumblebees to stamp. Cheryl did this one, so of course 3D ink's involved, and the basket to stamp flowers, and look at the little message inside. Hope this card will brighten your day and help you feel better in every way. Isn't that adorable? Absolutely love it. Okay, here's another Band-Aid one. Look at this, Bandage Fold It. Bandage Fold It. It's also, and I'm saying Band-Aid, I'm not supposed to, it's Bandage Fold It. Sorry. Okay, also includes the bandage to stamp and the large bow die. Look how cute that is. You can open it up like that. I've got you covered, my friend. Oh, isn't that sad? Okay. Here's another cute one. Sorry, oh my gosh, who made this one? Linda, you win today. Look at this. This is our Bandage Fold It with our jar to stamp die. Also, our succulents to stamp, more succulents to stamp, get well soon to stamp, medium dot stencil, lattice background, more love bugs to stamp. But the thing I'm loving so much is it says, sorry you've caught a bug, and there's bugs in the jar. Get well soon, with a big Band-Aid on the back. Is that, and there's our little bandage on the inside. Is that the most adorable thing you've ever seen in your life? Yes, it is. Okay, here's a cute one. Get well soon. You know, with the get well soons, you just need to send different ones all the time. And these are definitely gonna be different, right? No one else is gonna be sending a card to someone to get well soon that looks like this. Am I right? Here's a gorgeous one. You can turn them into shakers if you want to. Get well soon. Look at how beautiful that is with our scalloped edges. Here's a cute one. Oh, this is a cute one. Thinking of you. Look how gorgeous those Thinking of You is. Great size, perfect for A2 or slimline, or dun, 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 5x7 using our fun watering can. Fold it. Thinking of you, open it up, and it says, sending you loving thoughts and heartfelt sympathy during this difficult time. So sorry for your loss. Beautiful, beautiful. And look at this fun die here with our Friends Forever leaves. Lost my words. Here's a cute one, Thinking of You. Another Thinking of You is perfect. It could be literally for what? Everything, right? It could be for prayers. It could be for get well. It could be for, you know, just, hey, every day thinking of you. Look how cute that one is with our umbrella. Okay, are you ready? Here's some more Taco Tuesdays. I always say Taco Tuesday, but hello, a sombrero on a taco. Is that the coolest ever or what? You guys are gonna start having taco parties, let me tell you. Okay, now here's a cute one. Have a fantastico birthday on a card. Look how cute he is. Open it up. Happy birthday. Have a wonderful birthday and many more to come. The stamp set from that was Bold Birthday to stamp. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this Fiesta. Fiesta. We go together like tacos and Tuesdays. I love it. Here's a cute fun sombrero. And again, remember, it's a card. You can open it up. Here's a cute taco. Again, it's a card. Open it up. Here's another fun taco. Taco fold it. Open it up. Now it comes with like little things that you can make cheese and tomatoes and oh, look at the little twine. Isn't that cute? We do sell twine on our website too, by the way. A big, huge, massive roll. Ooh, look at this one with black felt. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that with our cute little piñata. And last but certainly not least, another fun one. Open it up. Happy birthday. Club members, come on, you know the deal. First 24 hours, usually it's on flash sale. Just saying, mark your calendars for all our release dates because you know what? You don't want to miss out, right? The 1st, the 7th, the 15th, the 20th, and the 25th. Yay, right? All those days we usually have flash sales. So you want to always make sure you mark your calendar. I would even put a reminder on my phone. Just saying. If you're not in the club, you're missing out. Every club member that is a part of our club gets 15 to 20% off of our entire website every single day that they're a club member. So when they come to our website, our club members, it's like a sale every single day. We don't do sale prices. We do flash sale items on brand new days, on brand new items, and then club members get 15 to 20% off. But they get it off the flash sale price too. It's amazing. You gotta go check it out. TheStampsOfLife.com. Guess what? I'll see you there. Bye-bye.
Thank you.